This is a special weather statement, issued at 6:05 a.m. The National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon, has issued a flood warning for northern Lane County in western Oregon until 12 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Monday, March 17, 2025. Minor flooding is forecast for the Mohawk River near Springfield from this morning to early tomorrow afternoon. Expect extensive floodwater of 18.1 feet over farmland and local roads from Marcola down to the confluence of the Mackenzie River. Also, expect numerous road closures. At 5:55 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Sunday, March 16, 2025, the stage was 10.3 feet. Bank full stage is 12.5 feet. The river will rise above flood stage this morning to 18.1 feet late this evening. It will then fall below flood stage early tomorrow afternoon to 6.1 feet. Early Thursday morning. Motorists should not drive into flooded roadways. If you encounter flooded roads, turn around and don't drown. Residents along riverbanks should prepare to relocate to high ground and follow evacuation orders from their local public safety personnel if it becomes necessary. This is a special weather statement, issued at 6:50 a.m. The National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon, has issued a flood warning for coastal Lane County in western Oregon until 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Monday, March 17, 2025. Minor flooding is forecast for the Siuslaw River near Mapleton until late tonight. Expect water above 20.0 feet over East Mapleton Road. Flooding of some low-lying homes and structures will begin shortly. Flooding may also be exacerbated by high tide. At 6 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Sunday, March 16, 2025, the stage was 17.5 feet. Bank full stage is 15.0 feet. The river will rise above flood stage this morning to 20.6 feet late this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage just after midnight to 8.1 feet early Monday morning. Motorists should not drive into flooded roadways. If you encounter flooded roads, turn around and don't drown. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Residents along riverbanks should prepare to relocate to high ground and follow evacuation orders from their local public safety personnel if it becomes necessary. This is a special weather statement, issued at 11:06 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Sunday, March 16, 2025. The National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon, has issued a flood warning for southern Lane County in western Oregon until 8 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Monday, March 17, 2025. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected along the Coast Fork Willamette River and local tributaries near Cottage Grove and Saginaw. Flooding of rivers, creeks, streams and other low-lying and flood-prone locations are either imminent or occurring. Low-water crossings are inundated with water and may not be passable. Expect many areas of slow-moving or standing water. At 11:06 a.m., flooding is already occurring. A member of the public reported heavy rain in the warned area. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.2 to 1.7 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations will experience flooding include areas around Cottage Grove. Turn around, and don't drown if you encounter flooded roadways. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away, as riverbanks and culverts can become unstable and dangerous. Flood warning issued Sunday, March 16th at 1:01 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, until Monday, March 17th at 3:54 a.m. The National Weather Service in Medford, Oregon, has issued a flood warning for the following rivers in Oregon: South Umpqua River at Roseburg affecting Douglas County, including Tiller, Riddle, Winston, and Roseburg. Minor flooding is forecast for the South Umpqua River at Roseburg from this afternoon to early Monday morning. At 22.0 feet, the South Umpqua River at Roseburg is at flood stage. Expect minor flooding of structures along Arizona Street and upstream of the downtown bridges in low areas along the South Umpqua River. There is no current observed data. Bankful stage is 22.0 feet, and the river will crest later this evening and fall below flood stage later tonight. Motorists should not drive into flooded roadways. If you encounter flooded roads, turn around, and don't drown. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Residents along riverbanks should prepare to relocate to high ground and follow evacuation orders from their local public safety personnel if it becomes necessary.
A civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties or areas: Douglas, Oregon, issued at 1:09 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Sunday, March 16, 2025. This is a message from the Douglas County Sheriff's Office. A flood warning has been issued for multiple areas of Douglas County. Your property or travel routes may be impacted by this event. Avoid flood-prone areas including rivers and creeks. Do not attempt to cross high water. It is recommended that residents shelter in place so long as it is safe to do so. Evacuate if you feel it is unsafe to remain. Travel only if necessary. Monitor official sources for updates.
This is a special weather statement, issued at 1:41 p.m. The National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon, has issued a flood warning for southern Lane County in western Oregon, until 8 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Monday, March 17, 2025. Heavy rain over the area has increased water rises and caused flooding throughout the southern Willamette Valley. Flooding is generally impacting smaller streams. and rivers at this time. Rain will slow, and then increase again as another system arrives overnight. Flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations are imminent or occurring. Low-water crossings are inundated with water and may not be passable. Expect many areas of slow-moving or standing water. Some locations that will experience flooding include Creswell, Goshen, Walker and Saginaw. At 1:35 p.m., the public reported heavy rain in the warned area. Flooding is already occurring. This flood warning includes the following streams and drainages: Willamette River, Camas-Swale Creek, Middle Fork Willamette River, Hill Creek, Gettings Creek, Bear Creek, Coast Fork Willamette River, South Fork Gettings Creek, North Fork Gettings Creek, Oxley-Slough and Pepenfus Creek. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.0 inches are possible in the warned area.
A civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties or areas: Lane, Oregon, issued at 4:05 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Sunday, March 16, 2025. This is a message from Lane County Emergency Management. Flooding caused by heavy rains is affecting several areas of Lane County. There are currently Level 1 Be Ready evacuation notices in effect for the following areas, all areas. On Sunderman Road near Marcola, which will be closed except for local access by residents. All areas south of Silk Creek to Bryant Avenue, between Gowdyville Road and South River Road, Riverstone RV Park at South 6th Avenue, and Latham Road in Cottage Grove. Level 1 means you should be aware of the danger that exists in your area, monitor local media outlets and telephone devices to receive further information. There is a shelter-in-place notice in Cottage Grove for the following areas, all areas north of Silk Creek Road accessed by Cemetery Bridge Road, including Buttercup Loop, Bluebird Street, Ash Avenue, and Pond Turtle Way. People should monitor river conditions and be prepared to seek higher ground if flooding occurs. Now is the time to make a plan for where you will go, what you will take, and how you will get there if you need to leave your home. You should also be ready to shelter in place if evacuation is not the safest option. Continue to monitor your phones and local news for updates or another alert if conditions get worse. Get more flood preparedness information, including suggestions for protecting your property, at www.ready.gov/floodfollow. At Lane County Sheriff's Office for more updates.